Okay, guys, this one is based on Call of Duty, okay? But Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So this is the Modern Warfare Frag Grenade. Okay, Creme de Menthe, Limoncello. For those of you who know the game, this shot is named after Soap McTavish, okay? Next up, all right, we have Irish cream, and then we lay on Jägermeister, okay? This right here is Juggernaut. All right, guys? And then after that, okay, those of you again who play the video game know this is Vladimir Makarov, okay? So it's all the characters from that game, okay? All you gamers out there, this one's for you. So what you do is you pull the plug, okay, and then you would take that one down, and then you would come behind with this and follow with the liquid that's left, okay? This is a potent shot. Take your time, okay? Woo! Stay tipsy, because that's a lot of alcohol in there. Later.